I am Sumathi Iyengar. I am the mother of a 22-year-old who has Wiskott-Aldrich syndrome, and I'm the co-founder and executive director of the Wiskott-Aldrich Foundation. I'm here to talk today about how to build a high-impact medical scientific advisory board for the upcoming 2021 Rare Disease Drug Symposium. When we started this working with our advisory committee a decade ago, there was not a whole lot going on for Wiskott in terms of community or research or family support. And I can see the change. My son is now 22 years old. I can see the change from when there was a foundation and when there was no foundation. And when we started having the advisory committee, the difference is night and day. When I started the foundation, I didn't have any experience, but we were able to pull together this fantastic group of researchers and physicians to help spur the movement forward. So I think from the patient's perspective, it's a win-win. Patients win because we are able to get a bridge between the physicians and the patient group. They're listening to what we have to say. We are moving our cost forward. Right now we have two curative therapies for Wiskott-Aldrich syndrome. And it's also a win in terms of the physicians and the researchers themselves, because in my experience, physicians and researchers really want to help all our families, all the rare disorders. So it's a win-win for the researchers and physicians and a win for the patient community. And if we can do it, any rare community can do it because they have the infrastructure, they have the passion, and they want to do it. So any community can do it. And I would like to see other rare communities succeed. Gene therapy is not yet here in the US, it's there in Europe, it's been there for 10 years. It took a long time to come to fruition. To see the vaccines come through in 9 months, to see the research community pull together and pull off these things in record time gives me so much hope that this is possible for our rare community, that if people work together, not as individual rare diseases, but we all have commonalities. If researchers and patients and all the groups can work together, I think we can move the needle so much faster for our families. That would be my hope